Sit down. Hi everyone! Today is another day, another vlog. And we're starting the day, or our vlog, with this. First time niyang makakainom ng Yakult. Wala pa.
Sit.
Sit down ka. Sit.
Nakatingin.
Sa akin yung natira. Wow!
Gusto.
Wow! Milky Chan.
Chan-chan na may bulate. Ang laki ng likod mo, bro.
Oo nga eh. Imagine yung nakita natin dun. 6 months old. Ito 8 lang. 7 to 8 lang.
So, this is our anniversary cake. It's a Yema cake from Maxis. This is my apology cake to her. Because last night I just played some online games and she went to sleep mad.
Hindi na ako galit, may cake na ako.
Ano?
Sarap eh. Ikaw, subo.
Alright, a new package has just arrived. This is my humidifier from China. Got this from Shopee, so salamat Shopee. Unboxing. This has the micro USB cable. This is the name, H2O humidifier. Nakalagay dito, after receiving the baby, please use according to the following process.
Baby.
Why the baby though?
Kasi may sumay yan eh.
So, why the baby?
Cute, laki.
Wow, nice packaging. Got the white color. There's a pink version for this one.
Ano?
This is so cute. Look at this. Diba? So cute. I think it's lighting up from the top. Tingnan natin. Instructions. The instructions manual is in Chinese. Sa natin sa box. Using for the first time, please remove cotton swab. Soak in water for 1 to 2 minutes to let a swab fully absorbing water before using. Please use tap water or mineral water. Cannot use pure water. What? Bawal pure water. And then click on the switch. Open. Oh man. So how do we get the stuff here? So I think just pull. Okay. This is just empty right here. This is where you put stuff in. It has 3 liters capacity. This was what? This will be removed. So yun na. Gumagana na siya at lumalabas na yung usok. Very easy to set up. Capacity up to 3,000 ml or 3 liters. And there's only one setup for that. Ibig sabihin isa lang yung lakas ng usok niya, hindi siya maiiba. But you can change the usok to stop for like 3 seconds and blow again for another 3 seconds, or continuous like that. You can also turn off the lights. But yeah, that's how it looks like. It has LED lights there, but you can't change the lights. It's just random lightings. I guess it's good. What's up, peeps? It's already 10:30 p.m. Wala kaming content today. We just chill and we watched our old videos and we edit some stuff. Saturday, and we're gonna watch some movie tonight. I think we're gonna continue watching 12 Monkeys. Mukhang maganda yan. And we're having some late dinner. Corned beef. Kung kahapon, steak na beef. Ngayon, corned beef.
Beef pa rin.
Corned beef naman.
Delimondo yan.
Delimondo, our favorite now. He wants to eat again. You wanna eat? Yeah. What's up, boys and girls? It's another day, another vlog. It's Sunday morning and just about to eat breakfast / lunch, brunch dito sa pato namin. At yeah, it's a cheat day. We ordered bagnet sa Super Bagnet. Half a kilo of bagnet. Sarap. Parang chicharon yung in-order namin.
Oo nga eh. Medyo maliliit yung cuts.
But yeah, it's a cheat day today. But back to tomorrow or Monday, smart meals ulit. Diet ulit kami. This is our favorite thing now. Bright and light. We had 2 cases of these. And we're just chugging it every day. Fried rice! Ito yung humidifier namin.
Katabi namin kumain.
It's been running for like 12 hours now. Or even more. Tapos wala pang kalahati yung nilagay kong tubig. Sobrang tagal niya maubos.